Hey YouTube, we're in the garage and this is where we're going to do the unboxing for my Champion 100294 backup generator. So this is the base. This is optional. It's about 250 pounds. Very heavy, so bear that in mind if you order it. Here are all the components that I ordered. So I'm going to give you all the part numbers right now. If you want to look at that. Give you a nice little view. Okay, this is going to be the switch in this box, and here is the actual generator unit itself. There are 4 nut and bolts, 12 millimeter, mounting the unit to the delivery these little wooden crates. This is a short video on how to get your Champion generator off of the pallet once it's delivered. If you look closely at the base, it has 2 openings, little mouse holes, here and here. They go all the way through to the other side. So let me show you here. Little mouse holes here and here. I'm going to stick a piece of pipe through that and then lift the unit up and put it on these jack stands. Once it's on the jack stands, it will be high enough to clear the pallet, and then I will drive this cart underneath it so that I can move it to wherever I want it to be. So we lifted up one side. And now I'm going to lift up the other side. Put you on the tripod so you can watch. Now we'll do the other end, drive the cart underneath, and move it where we want it. Once it's fully lifted, it looks something like this. Now we can take the pallet out and drive our cart under. Quite high enough, so I'm going to have to raise it a bit. Done locating the generator, and as you can see, it might seem to be a little bit far from the wall. There's a reason for that. When you look at the installation instructions, it has to be 17.7 inches away from any combustible building, and that's only the rear. All other sides have to be farther. So 17.7 means 18. So as you can see, we have it 18 inches away from the building. Next, we'll show the hookup of the gas and electric. Stay tuned.